Today I'd like to talk about a little known feature called Identify. Let's create a scenario whereby a user calls the help desk and they need some support from the help desk team. And ordinarily they might use a tool called bginfo, which would then give the administrator the IP address or hostname of the device, and they could connect to that endpoint using a tool like VNC or TeamViewer. Well, with the identify function, none of that is required. The tool itself is actually set as a hotkey. We can see that in the group settings, and if we scroll down, we can see that that is set as Control Alt and I. So to use this function, all you need to do is to tell the user to press Control Alt and I. This sends an identification request to NoTouch Center, and we can see that come through there. If we now go to the Identify options, we can then see some basic information about the device, its IP address, the firmware version it's using, and the group within which it sits. But we can take that to the next level, so we can then click the device and click Revealing Tree. That will expand the group and highlight the device in particular. We can see that the state of it, and what we can now do is move on to the shadow function to actually see what the user is seeing on their screen. And we're doing this using HTML5 screen shadowing using one-time ports and passwords. So again, this is also incredibly secure. So now we would see whatever the user is seeing and be able to help them with the issue that they have.